Hey guys, Jim here. Just wanted to recap the week for you and also go over one new trade that I did add on yesterday. So, recapping the week, we were assigned 100 shares of Carnival Cruise Lines, to which then I looked at the different options that I would have. That was strike price at 30, so the stock was at 24 something at that point. So, I made a decision to go out to the October shares or the October options and write a covered call on this stock. And so, let's go back over to open positions, covered calls. And if you see CCL, I got 189 bucks for the October 30s. All right. So that's at the strike price we got it at. We're really happy. You can't do this on a weekly, by the way. I mean, you would get no premium on a $30 Carnival Cruise Lines on a weekly. So this amount that we've received on this allowed us to bring in 6.3%. And then that's 11.5% annual. But don't forget, we also, because this is a longer term cover call, we also received the premium for the put sell. So you can probably take this number. We're probably really looking at 15, 16% on this annually between those two trades. Okay, so October comes around, we'll see where this is at. Hopefully we can get back to 45 days. But that's one way that you guys can make sure that you're not just sitting idle on a stock that has dropped on you. You can always find a premium someplace. You just need to make that fine distinction between what you need to do, or if you should sit and wait on this. Okay, and my decision on this one was to go ahead and write that covered call here. And then if we go and take a look at the other trade that I just made, let's go to our cash secured puts, and that's Uber. Yesterday I wrote a 65, 45 days out. Again, these are hard to do at weeklies. I might have had to go to a 70 to get even half of this, and that's a lot more risk on the table. So going to a 65 gives me a lot of room to get this at a really good price if in 45 days it's down to that. For that, I got $208. That's a 3.2% rate of return on that 45 days and a 27% annualized if I'm able to do the same thing, right? Yeah, so that's it for the week. Expect some more videos coming in over the trade journal and what all these numbers mean. I added a new area to this, but I'm not going to discuss it here. Just want to keep this video short, and you guys have an awesome weekend.